you have to find the integration of 1 plus cos square of x. So we will write cos of x is equal to 1 by sec x. So everything will turns out to be sec square of x dx upon sec square of x plus of 1. So sec square of x minus of tan square of x, that is equal to 1. So you will get the value as sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square of x. So you will write the denominator as sec square x and 2 plus tan square of x dx. Now let you will take tan x is equal to t. Once you will differentiate this one, you will get the value as sec square x dx, that is equal to dt. So here you will write dt upon 2 plus t square. We already know we can write this one as dt upon root over 2 to the whole square t square. That will turns out to be 1 by root 2 tan inverse t by root 2. So instead of t, you will write as 1 by root 2 tan inverse t. Instead of t, you will write the value as tan of x. Tan of x upon root. And you will write it as plus of c. So this is the answer that you will get.